Hey guys, in this video we'll walk you through how to use the BizBuySell scraper. This scraper was made for searchers, investors, business buyers to make it really easy so you don't have to spend time going through BizBuySell manually or relying on their really noisy alerts that don't usually work, sending you links that don't resolve to the actual business you're looking for, just overall unreliable. We built this when we were looking for businesses and found it to be very helpful. So this is the README file, or the page that'll show you all the information that you'll be able to extract. Here's some sample data. What's most important here is understanding exactly what you're looking for. And so therefore, once you export this into an Excel document, a CSV, into an automation, into your CRM, whatever that may be, you can then really whittle this down to only get alerts for the things that matter to you. What I love about this is the ability to get in touch with an intermediary very quickly. You have the information right at your fingertips. Here we have Paul's information, phone number, the firm he's with, so that you can reach out directly regarding the business that you want to be first in line for. It helps you get in front of brokers to build that relationship and get the best listings that they have available. So here we're looking for businesses for sale in the Tampa Bay Metro. You could go ahead and apply all your filters. Right off the top, there's about 878 results. That would be quite a lot to filter through on your own. So you can add your filters. In this case, we're just going to do that after the fact. We're going to copy this. We're going to go try for free. This opens up the page for where you can get started. So for right here, we'll just pop in the URL. Super simple. And then put in, I usually keep this very high, and you press save and start. Just as a heads up, there is a free trial with this, which is really awesome. You can run this, once you are subscribing, it's $35 a month, plus the usage, which is very nominal, maybe less than $1 per run. But you could run this every single day if you wanted to, across all of the markets. Here you can add in additional URLs that you'd like to track. But we'll just go ahead and press save and start. So what will happen here is you'll start seeing results streaming in after a few moments of it running. After about a minute, you start seeing the results streaming in right here across all of the different markets that you're looking for. And it'll just keep running in the background. Nothing you have to really worry about here. But here's where things get really cool. It's the integrations. You can go ahead and implement this so that you actually have the results uploaded to Google Drive into a spreadsheet, a Google Sheet, sent to you via Gmail, uploaded to an Airtable, Slack, and you can get super complex with some of the things using Make, Zapier, etc. Adding them into your CRM, into clay tables where you're able to then qualify using AI. The options are endless here. But it all starts with Apify, and one thing that's really cool is you can create a task. So you create the task here. For example, we'll call it Tampa, and we'll take exactly what we had here. This will run, and then with the task, actually, we can go ahead and schedule it. And so we can schedule this to run, however you want, every day at a certain time. We'll just do daily. Now it's scheduled. So this will run, and once you have the integration set up that you'd like, or even if you don't, it'll just run every day at that time. And for $35 a month, you get endless scrapes. The cool thing here is once you find something that's coming out, it just came out that day or maybe a few hours ago, you'll be surprised at how surprised business brokers are that you're reaching out first. They're like, whoa, I just listed that. How'd you find it so quickly? Even BizBuySell's alerts are not this good. So we'll go back to the run that we're working on here. This pulled all the information in. And the cool thing that you can do then is press export. Export allows you to put it into a CSV or an Excel file. In this case, let's do Excel. It's got all the fields you want. You can just leave those as optional, and then you go ahead and download it. And now that we've downloaded it, it's all in an Excel spreadsheet. You all are probably much better at this than I am. Just filter it, go through. You can look at things by price, understanding exactly what you're looking for, cleaning up any of this data as you see fit, and really identifying what you're looking for. But so, for example, it'll start with the location. You can say, I'll look for all of these in Tampa or Hillsborough County. You can filter out by keyword. And then when you're going through this, you can see who's listing it. What's their phone number? What's the intermediary? If you find something like, pick up the phone, call them. It's the fastest way to get in front of leads using this scraper. I hope this helps, and happy hunting.